Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen, and I thought I would kick off by showing you one of my go-to recipes that I've been making since I've become a mum, and I call it my mum fuel because I do not have time to make myself food when I'm in the kitchen all the time making my kids food all day long. And when I'm busy throughout the day, I want to grab something from the fridge, I want to eat it and go. And also Freddie loves this recipe as well. So it's my zucchini slice, and if you've been following me for a while, you will know it well, and I'm going to show you how easy it is and how yummy it is to make. Okay, so for the ingredients, we have 3 rashers of bacon. We have 3 zucchinis that I've grated up, and I've actually peeled them as well, just slightly, but you can see there's still some peel because that is good for you. We've got 1 grated carrot, 6 eggs, 1 cup of self-raising flour, and some tasty cheese. Look, you can put as much cheese as you like. I just kind of grab a handful of cheese because that's what I prefer. And what's missing is half a brown onion, which I've decided that I don't want to include anymore. And then obviously we want to salt and pepper later on. Alright, so this is so simple, and my favourite part about this recipe is not just the way it tastes, is that everything goes into the one bowl. So I've got my big bowl and I'm going to chuck all the ingredients in. Excuse my hands. And we're going to mix. Mixing all together. That looks good. Season to however you like it. You don't have to if you don't want to and you prefer not to for your children. But I don't mind a little bit. I've just sprayed it with some oil spray. And as simple as that. That is perfect. Yum, it's going to taste so good. And I will have it for lunch today and the next few days. There you go, perfect. We're going to put it straight into the oven for around 50 minutes, but we'll check on it, and we'll put it on 180. We're going to let it cool down and it will form a bit more, and then you can put it into a tub, cut it into bite-sized pieces, and mum, you have some food.